Let us now take a look at another sutram which prescribes a substitution in place of the indeclinable ku when followed by the final member in a compound. Sutram here is 63105. Ishadarthe. The anuvritti of koho is coming down from 63101. Koho kat tatpurushechi, which we have studied, and the anuvritti of ka is coming down from the prior sutram 63104. Ka patyak Kshayoho. So the Vritya Sutram says Ishadarthakasya ku shabdasya kadesha uttarapade, which means that when used in the sense of ishat, meaning slightly or little, the indeclinable ku takes the substitution ka, provided it is followed by the final member in a compound. And we know, as per the Paribhasha Sutram 1155, Anekal Shit Sarvasya, the entire term ku is replaced by ka because the substitution ka has more than one letter. An example of a compound where the sutram finds application is Ishat Jalam equals Ka Jalam, a little water. Here we do have the avyayam ku being used in the sense of Ishat. So the conditions for applying 63105 are satisfied, and we substitute ku by ka and get the compound ka jalam. Derivation is nothing special. It is very similar to when we derived the compound kupurushaha. But in kupurushaha, we were not using the avyam ku in the sense of ishadarthe. We were using it in the sense of kutsite. So therefore there was no substitution ka in place of ku. But otherwise the steps are the same. Only thing is that in ka jalam we have the sutram 63105 substituting ka in place of ku because ku is being used in the sense of ishadarthe, meaning little. You recall that we have just studied the sutram 63101 which says koho kat tatpurushechi, meaning that in a tatpurushaha compound ku takes a substitution kat when it is followed by a vowel beginning final member in a compound. Now what happens when we have a situation where 63101 as well as 63105 is applicable? For example, consider the compound kamlam, meaning ishad amlam, slightly sour. Here we do have ku being used in the sense of ishad, but we also have the final member amla beginning with a vowel. So 63101 as well as 63105 is applicable. Then why don't we apply 63101? Why do we apply 63105? The answer is ajadavapi paratvat kadeshaha. So even when the final member of a compound begins with a vowel, substitution ka does take place in spite of 63101 koho kattat purushechi, because in the Ashtadhyayi order the sutram 63105 ishadarthe comes after 63101. It is a parakaryam, so therefore it has greater force than 63101. So when both of them come for application, 63105 prevails, and we do get the substitution ka in place of ku. For example, we have ishad amlam equals kamlam, meaning slightly sour, and not kadamlam.